Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your auto brightness not working on Nothing Phone 3. Let's begin. First, let's make sure that auto brightness is enabled. We can easily do that by expanding our control center. Let's do it once again. And here we can see our brightness bar. As you can see, by default we can just increase or decrease the brightness as usual. However, did you know that you can click the little sun icon to enable automatic brightness? Well, if you didn't, now you know. So you want to make sure that this A here is visible. If it's not, you want to click the icon in order to make your auto brightness automatic. And now any kind of issues should technically be resolved, but in any case, if you still have some issues, I would also advise you to simply reboot your device. You can easily do that by expanding your control center twice, once again, and clicking that little power icon at the bottom. We can click on it, and then we can click Restart. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but trust me, it does really help. Not only you are rebooting your software, but hardware as well, including sensors that are directly responsible for your brightness features, as they detect brightness levels around you and they adjust your brightness levels accordingly. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.